Alright guys, what's up? Today we are going to be finishing up these cabinets. In the previous video I showed you guys how to build it, and this video I'm going to show you how to stain it, gloss it, and then hang it up. Alright, so I started by cutting off the pocket hole plugs. If you haven't seen, I have the first video up. You can click the link above and you can see how we made the bookshelves. This is part 2. So I was sanding while I was removing the pocket hole plugs, and I used my Ryobi multi-tool, which I also have a review for if you're interested in checking that out. Next, I went ahead and filled the pocket hole plugs. There was little areas around there that needed some wood filler. I tried using the same sawdust and some wood glue. I saw this somewhere on YouTube. I don't know if I did it wrong, or maybe the sawdust was a little too thick. I didn't like how it came out, but I went ahead and used it and then just sanded after. I did lose all my files of the videos where I was sanding, but after I sanded everything down, I used this polyacrylic covering. And I did 3 coats. Actually, I did 2 coats of this, and this was a satin finish, and I decided that I didn't like it. I wanted it to be glossier, so I did a last coat with a different one that was semi-gloss, and it came out a lot better. It was still a water-based acrylic, and I'll put the links below. Between the coats of the clear coat, I was using a 220 grit sanding pad and just giving it a light sand in between each coat after it dried. So it took a while. It took about 15 minutes to apply the coat, and then I let it dry for at least 4 hours before I sanded and put the next coat on. And here we have the finished bookshelf. We hung the part of the cleat on the wall. We used a level, found the studs. They were 16 inches apart, and just used 3-inch wood screws to hold that into the studs. And then we just put the cleat on. Alright guys, here's our final product. Hope you guys like how it came out. Again, if you like the content, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Sorry this video was a little bit short this week. Had a lot of things going on, and I lost a couple of files of me sanding. But I just wanted to show you guys what the bookshelves look like once they are done and hung up. Again, thank you for watching, and subscribe.